Hello, and welcome back to MarineMax Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be taking a brief look at this Harris 2019 210 Cruiser. Like all Harris pontoon boats, you can see the beefed up boarding ladder with 4 steps on it. This particular boat has a 115 Mercury Pro on it with the beefed up lower unit. 3 full pontoons underneath the boat. Beautiful crimson color on the side. 210 Cruiser Harris. Lifting strikes on it. It's a beautiful boat. And as you look inside, you can see the twin captain's chairs, beautiful seating, storage locker. It's just an awesome 210 Cruiser. For a full viewing of this boat and any of our other Harris pontoon boats, come see me, Dwayne Diggs, MarineMax Gulf Shores.